Hi everyone, myself Kavin from AML Department Second Year. First of all, today we see some important topic future selection in data science and distribution of future selection in Python. As of now, we are familiar with this topic. Let me cover some basic and enter into the program execution. First of all, future selection. Why need future selection? Because a future selection is nothing that you are selecting a specific feature from the data set and giving those specific features which are necessary by our model to train. Okay. Why our model need that specific data? Because your model only need a specific data to learn. Okay. We should not give full complete data set to our model because a data set will contain both a relevant data and irrelevant data also. For an example, a real-time scenario in a class, there are a lot of students is presenting. To find a student will get pass or fail mark in the subject. Your model to train we need to give only two features. One is the name of the student and the relevant marks he is scoring. Okay, which is enough. We should not give a age value, phone number. This is unrelevant data. By giving these unrelevant data, your model will struggle or it lead you some hard to our model to learn. And accuracy also will reduce it. To increase accuracy, model performance, we are entering the feature selection method. There are a lot of feature selection methods we are nowadays using. The basic three methods is a filter method, wrapper methods, and embedded methods. These methods have different strategies to evaluate and select most influential features for model training. Okay, and to implement feature selection, there are two libraries commonly used nowadays. One library is scikit-learn and Feature Engine is a recently a popular library for feature selection. After model fitting and after model training, we need to find or we need important step is to find model performance and accuracy. By that, we can understand that what changes we need to make in our data set or what changes will be made in future to our model to get accuracy. We start a program execution of how I'm selecting features. Okay, now I'm selecting a specific feature from our data set. Okay. That's it. Mm. You can see I wrote simple program in Python and I'm loading SSL packages. We can see load this data. Okay, we need to okay. You can see I'm loading iris data set, which is popular data set using in machine learning algorithm. And is containing like information of flowers, petal, and petal, etc. lot of features. And I'm using a select list sheet selection and yeah, classical. I'm loading a data set and I am initializing data into x and y values and I'm after that creating a function select underscore future. This function will contain three parameters x and y parameters and each parameters have different notations present and the x parameter is future matrix and y is the target vector, k is the number of future we need to select. Okay, that is a point. Okay, secondly I insert the function. You can see I'm giving a select. I'm using a select based function. It is initialized with this core function equal to f underscore classic. It will help to find a ANOVA f value between a class label and a future. Okay, and a number of features I am selecting, that is k value. Okay, I'm going to find a values for these three parameters. And second, I'm going to fit that with the fit transform with the x and y values, and I'm creating an index or boolean values orthogonal and selecting a feature. And from the index values, I'm going to call a parameter or a column from the iris dataset. This is iris dot future underscore of y. Okay. After that, I am passing your k equal to, because I'm going to select two parameters. We are going to select from the dataset, and I'm passing with arguments f selected and selected features equal to select underscore features x, y, k. It I'm not important, so important to here. I'm passing these arguments is important. You can see I'm passing the arguments to function, and I'm printing it what are under two features I'm selected and what is the shape of the two features. Can see, and I'm yeah, see okay. You can see I'm selected two features, a petal length and petal width in centimeter, and shape is 150 for third parameter feature, and there are two columns. And you can see also how the values is presenting. Okay. And you can see a two parameter already selected. You can see the values, first five values, 5, 4, 5, etc. This is how I am selected display feature. I'm going to pass the feature while I'm training machine learning model. Okay. This feature selection we are using. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt regarding the subject or machine learning, then contact to my email address. Then contact to my email address, kavinraja8 at gmail.com. Okay, thank you for everyone.